for those that are looking on a video, there are these beautiful brown speckled eggs, and they are the standard egg for quail. They all have different speckling patterns on a tan or off-white green egg, and those beautiful. But then there is a blue, which is called Celadon, and that blue egg it's somewhat like if you get into goats and there's polled goats have no horns, you have to have two copies from parents to create a baby with these blue egg laying, but there's no outward marker for these. So if you want blue eggs, you have to talk to a Quaternary breeder who has what's called Celadon layers, and they'll be able to set you up with homozygous Celadon genes. But that's here nor there.
Right.
But the eggs taste the same. So between the different colors, it does not matter. Like, a wild type can lay blue eggs or brown eggs, vice versa. You just have to have the gene. So the eggs taste the same. The birds are all the same. They just have a special gene on them. Yep.
Okay. And the jumbos, do they lay the larger eggs? Is that the idea as well?
They do lay larger eggs as well. And I find that the jumbos are slightly lower on the production levels. So they're going to be more in the mid 200 eggs per year compared to standard. And I also find when it comes to reproductive side that the males need a few less hens because they are a lot larger and they have a harder time mounting the hen to be able to fertilize the egg. So they're great. A lot of people love them, and I have them, but I like my standard best for production for eggs.
Do you use the ones for eggs as well for meat? Like, is the standard Quaternix your favorite bird all around for eggs and meat?
Yes, just because of how quickly I can get them produced. So what I have is two separate aviaries because there isn't demand for jumbos. I find that the standards, they eat a little bit less food per day, and the weight difference as a processed bird for meat is only an ounce or two because I have slightly larger standards. So for me, I would rather have the fun colors and the egg production for my meat source as well over having less egg production and only a couple ounces more in meat and a lot more food consumed to make those birds a lot bigger. So